I'm Ben with Nielsen Communications. Today we have a 2022 Ford Expedition that we did a full covert lighting package on. So we've got sound off series lights and siren controller, including the remote handheld control head. We've also got satina partitions, console vault, and a rear vault for long gun storage and handgun storage in the center console, and full 15% window tint all the way around. We push the number 3 button on the controller, it turns everything on at once. So,
All right.
sound off 400 series energy handheld siren controller, controls all the lights. Number 3 function turns all the lights on along with the siren, and then the Motorola remote handheld control head, again for the covert style setup. Behind the passenger seat, we have a pure sine wave 1500 watt inverter, along with a radio speaker and a mounted fire extinguisher. Prisoner compartment, we separate with partitions the front seats from the rear 2 rows of seats. The customer wanted to be able to have 2 rows worth of seats for prisoner compartment, so we've got another partition situated behind the 3rd row, along with window bars, door guards, and window bars over here. Back here we've got a customer supplied vault for long guns, relocated the spare tire accessories inside the box. You still have factory access to your rear or to your spare tire, and then following underneath we've got everything under the hood: radio equipment, siren controller, and all the wiring.